close the door.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenton County, southern Campbell County, southern Boone County, northern Grant County, north central Owen County, northwestern Pendleton County, eastern Gallatin County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kentucky Speedway, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Edgewood, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Taylor Mill, Fort Wright, Williamstown, Crescent Springs, Walton, Crestview Hills, Lakeside Park, Claryville, Oak Brook, Union, Crittenden, Dry Ridge, and Owenton. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 59 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 157 and 185.